is equal to minus 105 and minus 55. This is equal to minus 160 megapascal. Okay. And let's look at Y2. And we know that Y2, this is not valid. Okay, this is not valid. Now, why is it not valid? Okay. Okay, so why is it not valid? We're going to use 3D mole circle to prove that stress Y2, which is equal to minus 160 megapascal, is not valid. Okay. Now, bear with me. I'm going to lecture to about 8:30. Okay. Then we take a 10 minutes break. Okay. Bear with me. If I finish by 8:30, then we all disappear. Okay. So bear with me. I doubt it. Okay. So today's lecture, I'm pretty sure we will go to 10 o'clock. Okay. So we are going to stop at 8:30 for our first break. Now, so if we were to construct a 3D mole circle now, so we are going to, the point that we are going to focus on is Y2. Why this is not bad. And as you can see, it's outside the red box already. But what I'm going to show you, how bad is it? Okay, I know it's funny that I say how bad is it. Okay, so we're going to construct 3D mole circle now. Okay, so it is equal to 105. So I'm going to draw a mole circle now. Hey, come on, Eugene, really? Okay, and then it's going to go and stop here. Okay, and then I'm going to sketch. So this is our first circle. Okay, and our first circle, this is touching, so this is our XY plane. Okay, and our XY plane is, as you can see, is the in plane. Okay, and then I'm going to construct another circle that touches that. So 2, 3. Then the next circle comes in. And this circle, as you can see, is smaller, right? So it's going to be somewhere around here. Okay, so this is the next circle. So some of you might say, Eugene, what is this circle called? Okay, so this circle over here belongs to the XZ plane. Why is it belong to the XZ plane and not the YZ plane? Because point X to the zero shear stress line, right? This is the acute angle. No, acute is not spelled this way. Or let me not say, because this angle over here is less than what? 90 degrees. if from point Y, this angle is greater than 90 degrees, you select the point where it's less than 90 degree, and you call this the XY plane. Okay. Whereas from point Y to this point over here, right? This is, I can call this our stress A. It's more than what? 90 degrees. Okay. And then there's another circle that we have to draw now. Okay. And this circle is a big one. And this circle over here will be at the, so will be like 180. And let me eyeball this first. In this circle over here, so this is the third circle. Okay. As you can see, the third circle is totally outside the box. Okay, or is outside the box. So this circle over here belongs to the YZ plane. And the YZ plane is our out of plane. Okay. So you can see, right, two circles are touching outside the red rectangle. Okay, and the two circles that are touching outside belongs to the what? Belongs to the XZ plane, and sorry, XY plane, and the next one is the YZ plane. Okay, so any part of a 3D mold circle touches outside the red rectangular box, this is not a possible answer. So this answer, okay, the minus 160 megapascal is not valid. And the reason why it's not valid, because the stress mean is equal to what? Is equal to minus 105 minus by 73. And this is equal to 105 minus 73, 105 plus by 73 is at minus 170 megapascal, which is less than our allowable of what? So our allowable is at minus 146 megapascal, right? Because this is at what? 146. And then why this is not possible, okay? Why this answer is not possible? Another reason is, if we were to look at the tau max, which is equal to the tau max in the what? YZ direction. Okay, tau max in the YZ plane. So this value is in fact equal to minus 178 divided by 2. So this value is equal to what? Minus 89 megapascal, which is again less, right, than the allowable of what? 73 megapascal. Okay, so this is why this fails. Okay, so when we calculate 89, so this is where this distance from here to here this is our 89 megapascal. Okay, so that's why stress Y2 is not possible. Okay, so this is by drawing 3D mold circle. Okay, if you look at here, right? The solution manual also says the same thing. Okay. Remember, we calculate 178. We calculate 73 or 89. Okay, we'll just do that. Okay. And we do it graphically, not formulating equations like this. Okay. How does solution know how to formulate equation like this? Because they constructed 3D mold circle before. Okay, so I want you to be capable of visualizing this in 3D mold circle. Then just plugging in formulas. Okay, as I say, in order to develop formula like this, okay, you have to be able to visualize 3D mold circle. If not, you will not get the values at all. Okay, so that's why I emphasize on able to construct 3D mold circle. Okay, right. So the next one we're going to find is Y1 a possible solution. And we can see that Y1 is inside the red box, as you can see, okay? So what I will try to do, if I can, I will try to copy the whole thing. Usually these don't work, okay? And then I'll try to put this. Okay. I hope I'm seeing now. This is the best way to fit it. Yeah. So what I'm going to do now, right, is we're going to prove that stress Y1 is valid. Okay. So now I'm going to erase this circle over here. I don't need, if I can erase it. I don't need this. Okay. And the rest is fine. Okay. Or I don't need this. I will post this online. Don't worry, like I always do. Okay. I don't need this. Okay. And I don't need this labeling. Don't need this labeling. I don't need this labeling, so you're not confused. Okay. So now we are going to see Y1, and we did calculate that stress O1 is at 5 positive 5 megapascal. Right? And then we know that stress Y1 is equal to positive 60 megapascal. So now if we were to sketch mold circle, bear with me, I need to shift the circle. So now this circle over here that I've just sketched, okay, so this belongs to the XY plane, right? And then I have to construct another two circles, so 2, 4, 6 and a bit. So the next two circles I'm going to draw. Go on, bear with me. Let me tidy things up. The next two circles that I'm going to sketch. No, this is not a very good circle. I do apologize. 2, 4, 6, 3 and a bit. 1, 2, 3. Now